The vehicle we tuned is a 2013 front-wheel drive Volkswagen Polo 5th Series 6R version with a 66 kilowatt power, 1.6-litre TDI engine and a manual transmission. It's possible to achieve satisfying results on this vehicle by just modifying the file contained in the engine control unit, or ECU, improving both torque and power. This is possible because the 66 kilowatt, 1.6-litre engine of the Polo 5 is the very same found on the more powerful version, which is equipped with a 77 kilowatt 1.6-litre engine. The manufacturer identifies the Volkswagen Polo 5 6R engine with code CAYB-VWEA189 that indicates a turbo diesel engine with a maximum of 66 kilowatts of power. Since it is likely that two similar engines are controlled by the very same model of control unit, it's important to remember that other models of the Volkswagen Group are equipped with the same engine or a version of the same engine of the Volkswagen Polo 5 6R. In addition, depending on the vehicle production year, models that are equipped with the same engine may have the same model of Siemens Continental control unit. This is why this course represents a valid starting point for tuning the following vehicles, whose technical specifications are shown in the tables. Volkswagen Group vehicles equipped with the same engine but with different maximum powers, as reported in the chart, are Volkswagen Caddy, Golf, Jetta, Beetle, Passat, Polo, Touran and Vento. Skoda vehicles are Fabia, Octavia, Rapid, Roomster, Superb, Superb Combi and Yeti. Seat vehicles are Altia, Ibiza, Leon and Toledo. Lastly, Audi vehicles are A1 and A3. The Volkswagen Group equipped the Volkswagen Polo 5 and the other previously listed models with a Continental Simos PCR 2.1 control unit that is able to control the CAYB-VWEA189 engine both in the 1.5-litre and the 1.6-litre versions. This control unit has an Infineon Tri-Core 1796 microcontroller and has no external flash memory. This control unit is given a Volkswagen Auto Group hardware number and a Continental hardware number. It is still possible to collect the main data of the ECU by using the identification function of either CASV2 or KTAG. In this vehicle, the engine control unit is located on the right, under the air filter. The label is not visible, and the main connector is linked to sensors and actuators through a standard configuration. The OBD2 diagnosis socket is found inside the cabin, centered under the steering wheel at the driver's knee height. This diagnostic socket, linked to a specific diagnostic tool, will be used to check that the vehicle does not show any malfunction, such as a DTC error that can't be detected by a superficial analysis. It is strongly recommended that you act on a vehicle only if it is in perfect condition. Any unresolved problem can only worsen after the tuning process. In addition, since the vehicle is equipped with a dual-clutch transmission that requires greater maintenance, this diagnosis socket will be useful for detecting some engine and gearbox data before proceeding with the tuning. The Continental Simos PCR 2.1 control unit of the Volkswagen Polo 5 can be tuned either with CASV2 or KTAG. CASV2 connects to the control unit by protocol number 352 and allows reading of the engine control maps that are found in the original file. This protocol presents two different communication methods: Old Family and New Family. We recommend choosing the most updated New Family. The available functions are ID and virtual reading, writing and recovery. KTAG connects to the control unit on bench through protocol number 994 that offers the password reading function to unlock the control unit. To select the correct protocol, it's necessary to know the brand and model of the microcontroller. In this case, it is an Infineon Tri-Core 1796. Unlike CASV2, KTAG allows performance of a complete reading of the original file and of the EEPROM memory. The control unit in question is available in two different hardware models and with two types of connections. There are detailed instructions for connecting each hardware model to the control unit on bench. By choosing Direct Connection with Positioning Frame EVO, It is easier to connect the control unit to the K tag, since only the cable tips need to be correctly placed, without any soldering. The size of the original file within the control unit of the Volkswagen Polo 5 goes from 0 to 200000. The structure of the original file is as follows. The first, the fourth, and the sixth zones are empty, ready for future updates. The second zone contains the software. The third zone contains both the software and the index. The fifth zone contains the maps.